All right, we've got a little unboxing, new little golf cart present. Got our new 5-panel mirror. All right, first off, let's start with assembling the parts to the mirror. Dry fit down. Take this and throw it in here. Okay. Now we've got this bracket that goes on there. We've got this little tightener and a bolt. That finger tight. Okay, let's do that for the other side. Alright, had to stray from the original directions a little bit to get this to fit. So this needs to be angled on the inside, and this bracket needs to be mounted on the inside, not the outside like the directions recommend. I've got the other side exactly the same. Now let's mount this. Okay, I think we're just gonna have to mark it. Mark the bracket, kind of the bottom and the side, and then we'll take it off to mark the holes. Doesn't look like we can mark one hole. Move to the other side. All right, those are pretty clear. You can see those. Looks like we might have to pop the top off to get the drill in. Should be an easy task. See, we've got a bolt on the bottom there. Then we've got a bolt on top there. Both 15s. All right, so let's finish pulling this 15mm bolt off for the top. All right, we can go topless now. Alright, so it calls for an 1/8 inch drill bit. Alright, fairly simple. Alright, let's pull out the impact driver and drive these in. Alright, looks good. Let's do the other one. Alright, same process on this side. In we go. This one's walking around a little on me. Alright, same thing on this side with the impact driver. Alright, temporarily we're just going to put the nut on without the lock washer, just to hold that side. Let's meander over. put our nut on. All right, now let's take this off and put our lock nut on. So we're working right up in here. We'll throw our lock washer and our nut. Grab a light. That's where we're working. All right, let's tighten this up. Want it to stick out a little bit. Tighten your mirror panels. Now let's put our 15mm bolts back. I'm gonna fold down the windshield for access on this one. Throw our windshield back up, and we're done. And that's how you install a 5-panel mirror on an EZ Go RXV. Alright, got the golf cart all put away, got our 5-panel mirror installed. Looking forward to a few other modifications. It was a pretty simple one, only took about half an hour to an hour. I had all the tools ready. Well, if you want to purchase the same mirror I did, I'll put a link down in the description. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share if you want to get on board for more. Alright, thanks for watching.